Now, first warning weather with meteorologist Freddy Vela.
All right, everyone, let's go and take a look at current temperatures right now. 66 degrees in Fredericksburg, 65 in Mason, 67 in Austin, and 68 degrees as you get out towards Giddings, San Marcos, currently at about 70 degrees. As we take a look at satellite and radar, we're able to see exactly what we're dealing with. Overall, still mostly clear skies. A little bit of cloud coverage as you get out towards Mason and Laddo, but things look much clearer for pretty much everywhere else. And it looks like it'll stay that way off and on throughout most of the day today. Most of the cloud coverage staying well farther down towards the south as you get into San Antonio and into Laredo and the Rio Grande Valley is what we're seeing the majority of that cloud coverage and a little bit of rain out towards the Gulf. All right, I'm going to play this out over the next couple of days because it's going to be mostly sunny for today. Tomorrow, though, a bit cloud coverage starts to roll back in, especially later in the day. And then as we get out towards Sunday, we get a bit more cloud coverage. But Sunday evening, we could see maybe a drizzle or two. I just don't see very much of that actually happening in case you're making plans to be out there at the Circuit of the Americas. As we get into Monday into Tuesday, that's when we'll start to see some changes. At that point, a lot of moisture starts to flow back in, and we could actually see a bit more of that rain chance picking up. Temperatures are going to continue rising for Saturday. Currently, we have ourselves at about 82 degrees, Sunday 78. Why? More clouds come in, and so of course that'll kind of take away a little bit of that heat, but we'll still be well above average, which around this time of year is 69 degrees. As we get into Tuesday, we're looking at 82 degrees. So Monday into Tuesday into Wednesday, that's what we're going to be watching because that's our best chance of rainfall and possible thunderstorms within the area. I don't see very much of that, but we're going to keep that as a possibility because even you'll notice as you get into Dallas and then up towards Oklahoma and Little Rock, or to Arkansas, excuse me, where you could see the possibility of some severe weather. Now, notice how some of that gets kind of close to Austin. Just a little bit of a shift down, and we could see a little bit of that severe weather. Again, I expect most of it to be out towards the northeast, but we'll continue to monitor that and update you over the weekend, too, if that does change. After the front comes in, things will clear out, and we should be fine all the way towards next weekend. So this is where our best look at where we possibly could see some severe weather for Tuesday, and it's most of the same areas I just mentioned. It's possible that it could make its way here, but we're right on the cusp of that. And this could adjust, as I said, over the next couple of days. So we got to continue to monitor that as we go throughout the weekend. As we look out towards Saturday, 82, Sunday, 78, Monday, 77, and then the rain chances pick up right ahead of that next front, and we see a little bit of a tumble as we get into Wednesday and Thursday.